Dito ka sa red chair. Dito sa red chair. Yes, dito muna. Sit ka sa red chair. Yes, yes. Yes! Oh, there you go. Say hi, Alpha. Hi! Today is Alpha's birthday. Happy birthday, Alpha. Alpha's... That's Groot. Are you happy that today is your birthday? Anak? Are you happy that you are now already 2 years old? How old are you?
Can't eat.
How old are you? 2?
Two.
2. Say hi to the camera first. Hi! I have a gift for you. But first, you need to sit down. Oh, uy, nakita niya na yung gift? I have a gift for you because you're already 2 years old. Wait, you sit first.
Sit first.
Yes. How old are you? 3? You're just 2.
Two.
2. Yes, 2. Okay, let's check this out, guys. So, this is for you. Happy birthday. I love you. I say, I love you, Dadad.
Yellow.
Huh? I love you, Dadad. Kiss mo na, Dadad. Kiss. Whoa! It's a black Jordan box. So, there we go. Wow! Ganda, oh. Wow. This is for you. Oh, open it. Open it. Open. Open. Oh, that's the paper. Okay, open it. Ito, anak ko.
So,
Whoa!
what is this?
Ito na. Oh, look at it. Whoa! Whoa! So it has a sticker. There you go. And this is it, Alpha. Wow! Do you like it? Do you like it? You like it? So this is it, guys. The cool gray colorway. Alpha, this is the cool gray. Anak. Anak.
Ay! Say!
Yes. Binalot mo ulit. This is the cool gray colorway. We have a white midsole. And yes, yellow on the outsole and black. The quality of the suede is really clean. Man, I love this model. I'm a Jordan guy. I will definitely buy it, but I'm not a Jordan. Oh! Yes! What color is this? Cool gray. And you have the silver Jordan logo here. And yes, this is for toddlers. This is size 10. Ay! Alpha, no! Huwag yung camera. This is size 10. It's currently size 8. But yes, I would rather have a size 10 so he can enjoy it when he will become 3 years old. So that's the point why I bought this one.
Ew.
Do you like this one, Anak? Yes, I think this is totally worth it, guys. And for all, it is available in different sizes, toddlers, kids, and men's. I think this is a great cup since the colorway is really nice. I like this one compared to the breads, but I know the breads is it's more of a popular colorway when you compare it to the cold gray. But definitely, this is a great color. So there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. See you in another video. Anak, bawal.